Welcome to Suzhou, a timeless tapestry. From the air, the ancient city of Suzhou in Jiangsu province, China, unfolds like an intricate tapestry woven over centuries. Graceful pagodas pierce the sky, their reflections shimmering in the tranquil waters of the Grand Canal. Lush gardens, meticulously designed, offer pockets of serenity amidst the bustling city. Suzhou, often referred to as the Venice of the East, boasts a history spanning over 2,500 years. Its canals, bridges, and traditional architecture whisper tales of a rich past, while its vibrant culture and modern developments speak to its dynamic present. From serene gardens to bustling streets, we'll delve into the heart of Suzhou, experiencing its unique charm and uncovering its hidden treasures. A scholar's retreat, the humble administrator's garden. Our exploration begins at the humble administrator's garden, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the exquisite artistry of classical Chinese garden design. Conceived during the Ming Dynasty in the 16th century, the garden embodies the principles of harmony and balance, seamlessly blending man-made structures with the natural world. A network of winding pathways, punctuated by moon gates and zigzag bridges, guides us through a series of carefully composed scenes. Each step reveals a new vista, a delicate interplay of rock formations, bamboo groves, and shimmering ponds. The garden's name, Humble Administrators, is a reflection of the Confucian ideal of humility. It was designed as a retreat for a Ming Dynasty official seeking respite from the pressures of court life. The garden is divided into 3 sections, each with its own distinct character. The central section, with its expansive pond and elegant pavilions, is the heart of the garden. As we stroll through the Humble Administrator's garden, we are reminded of the enduring power of nature to inspire, soothe, and rejuvenate the human spirit. A symphony of serenity, the lingering garden. Our next destination takes us to the Lingering Garden, another masterpiece of Chinese garden design and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Created during the Ming Dynasty in the 16th century, the Lingering Garden is renowned for its intricate layout, masterful use of space, and serene atmosphere. Winding corridors and hidden courtyards create a sense of mystery and intrigue, revealing unexpected vistas at every turn. The garden's name, Lingering, refers to the desire to linger and savor the beauty of one's surroundings. From the delicate beauty of its bonsai collection to the grandeur of its ancient trees, every element has been carefully chosen to create a harmonious and captivating whole. Ponds, streams, and waterfalls are seamlessly integrated into the landscape, creating a sense of tranquility and movement. The sound of water cascading over rocks, the gentle ripple of a pond, the soft murmur of a stream, these are the sounds of the Lingering Garden, a symphony of serenity that soothes the soul. The garden is also renowned for its rockeries, which are considered some of the finest examples of their kind in China. As we wander through the Lingering Garden, we are struck by the ingenuity and artistry of its creators. From the tranquility of Suzhou's gardens, we transition to the contemporary elegance of the Suzhou Museum. Designed by I.M. the museum blends modern and traditional architecture. Inside, sunlight illuminates ancient Chinese art and artifacts. We encounter calligraphy, paintings, ceramics, and jade carvings. The museum also showcases Ming and Qing dynasty furniture. It serves as a vibrant center for contemporary art and culture. Our exploration of Suzhou now takes us to the summit of Tiger Hill, a place steeped in legend and renowned for its panoramic views. As we ascend the hill, we're surrounded by lush greenery and the sound of birdsong, a world away from the bustling city below. Legend has it that the hill earned its name from the white tigers that once roamed its slopes, guarding the tomb of a king from the spring and autumn period, 771 to 476 BC. Crowning the summit of Tiger Hill is the iconic Yunyan Pagoda, also known as the Leaning Tower of China. This 7-story octagonal structure, built during the 5 Dynasties and 10 Kingdoms period, 907 to 960 AD, leans at a precarious angle, a testament to the passage of time and the forces of nature. The pagoda's tilt, though slight, is noticeable and adds to its charm. Visitors are welcome to climb the narrow winding staircase to the top, where they are rewarded with breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding countryside. The surrounding parkland is home to a number of other historical and cultural landmarks, including ancient temples, serene gardens, and the sword testing stone, said to bear the mark of a legendary sword. Our final destination takes us on a journey through the history and artistry of silk at the Suzhou Silk Museum. Suzhou has been renowned for its silk production for centuries, and this museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the ancient craft that has shaped the city's identity. As we enter the museum, we're greeted by displays showcasing the entire silk-making process, from the cultivation of silkworms to the weaving of intricate fabrics. We learn about the life cycle of the silkworm, the painstaking process of harvesting silk threads from their cocoons, and the traditional techniques used to dye and weave this luxurious material. The museum's collection includes a dazzling array of silk textiles, from ancient fragments to exquisite garments worn by emperors and empresses. One of the highlights of the museum is the live demonstration of traditional silk weaving techniques. We watch in awe as skilled artisans operate intricate looms, their hands moving swiftly and precisely, transforming silk threads into exquisite fabrics before our very eyes. The Suzhou Silk Museum is more than just a museum, it's a living tribute to a craft that has been passed down through generations. As our journey through Suzhou draws to a close, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this city's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. From the tranquil gardens to the bustling streets, from the ancient temples to the modern museums, Suzhou offers a captivating tapestry of experiences that will linger in your memories long after you've left. If you enjoyed this virtual adventure, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more travel inspiration. What was your favorite part of our Suzhou journey? Which of these hidden gems would you most like to explore in person? Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.